Can I convert my car from traditional key start to push button start? In this video, I will show you how it works, how to check if your car supports it, and what happens if you leave the key outside the car while it's running. This is just a regular push, no programming needed, so you can buy it from any store, and I will drop the link in the description. To start your Mercedes with a push button, make sure the key is inside the car, in your pocket. Press once to wake up the system. Press again to turn on the electronics, battery mode. Press a third time while holding the brake, and the engine starts. But not every Mercedes comes with it from the factory. So, how to check if your car supports it? Step 1. Try putting something in place of the key, like your finger, a pen, or anything else, and see if the car starts. Step 2. Check your door handles. If they have a small button or touch sensor, your car likely has smart entry, which is mean you can open the door by putting your hand inside the handle and close it by touching the touch sensor. If your car doesn't support keyless go, the push button start alone won't work. So you will need extra wiring and programming, which can be expensive. The final thing, what happens if you leave the key outside the car while it's running? But wait, guys, this is my new channel and I really need your support to move forward. So, can you please hit subscribe for more? Now, what happens if you leave the key outside the car while it's running? 1. The system shows a warning. The dashboard will display key not detected. The engine keeps running. Your car will not shut off automatically if the key is removed. You can drive normally. The car drives and controls perfectly fine. Accelerators, brakes, steering, multimedia, and features still work. You can adjust the sound, AC, and everything else without any problem. But you cannot restart the car without the key. Once you turn off the engine, it will not start again unless the key is back inside. Leaving a car running without the key inside is risky, both for security and safety. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more tips. If you have any question, drop it in the comments.